empty.
Ben, please come here. Dad had to leave last night.
Why did Dad leave us? I do not understand. I am so scared, Mom. Did Dad leave forever?
Ben, listen to me. Dad did not leave us forever.
Then where did he go in the middle of the night?
Let me tell you everything from the beginning. Yesterday, we had a wonderful evening together.
We ate pizza together. Dad made silly faces.
We were all very happy. Then the phone rang.
I heard the phone ring. It was very late.
Grandma called that night. She was feeling very sick.
Is Grandma going to be okay, Mom?
She needed help fast. Dad went to help her.
Why did Dad not wake us to say goodbye?
There was no time. He had to go very fast.
I wanted to hug him before he left.
I know that, sweetheart. He wanted to hug you too.
I miss Dad so much. Please be safe, Dad. When will Dad call us? I want to hear him.
He should call soon. Let's wait together. It is noon now. Dad has not called yet.
Maybe he is still busy helping Grandma. Or maybe something bad happened to him.
Don't say that. Dad is fine, I know it.
Let me try to call his phone, Mom.
That is a good idea. Here, use my phone.
It is ringing now. Please answer it, Dad. Is Dad answering now? Can you hear his voice? There is no answer. It went to voice message. Why is he not answering? I am so worried. Mom, you look so scared. Is something wrong now?
I am okay, Ben. Maybe his phone battery died.
Let me try Grandma's house phone number now.
That is a smart idea. Try that number, Lily.
No one is answering. The phone keeps ringing. Mom, what if Dad forgot about us?
Ben, Dad could never forget his family.
I am scared too. But I must be brave. Ben, Dad always keeps his promises to us. But he promised to play with me this morning.
Something very important happened, Ben.
Wait, I hear a sound outside now. Is that a car? Someone is coming here.
Let me look through the window right now.
Mom, what do you see? Please tell us now.
A car is stopping in front of our house.
Is that Dad's car? Please say it is Dad.
I cannot see clearly. The sun is very bright.
I want to run outside right now.
Ben, please wait here. We must be careful.
Someone is walking to our door now.
Please let it be, Jack. Please come home to us.
Sarah, I am finally home. I am so sorry.
Dad is home now. Dad finally came home. Dad, you came back to us. I am so happy.
My phone battery died. I could not call you.
We were so worried about you all morning.
Dad, I thought you did not love us anymore.
Oh, Ben, I will always love you so much.
How is Grandma now? Is she feeling better?
Grandma is much better. She is resting now.
That is wonderful news. I am so very glad.
I am sorry. I left without saying goodbye.
I woke up and you were gone. I was so scared.
Come here, my son. Let me give you a hug.
I love you so much, Dad. Please never leave again.
Next time, please leave us a note, Dad.
You are right, Lily. I made a big mistake.
We should always tell each other where we go.
My family means everything. I love them so much.
Now let me make breakfast for all of us.
Can we have pancakes? I love your pancakes. This morning was scary, but now I am happy.
I love you all. Family is everything to me.